Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at how we can add and delete pages into documents we're working on in Canva. Here we can see we have a notebook front cover. So if I was going to design a notebook, obviously I'm starting with the front cover, but then inside I want to have multiple different pages. To add a page, we need to head down to the bottom where it says here add a page, and if we select that option, we can see now we now have a page 2, and that has given us now a blank page. We can then go on and select pre-made pages like this page. This is a Canva Pro feature. If you're not currently subscribed to Canva Pro, then there is a link in the description. If you click on there, that will give you a free 30-day trial to try all the amazing features that Canva Pro has to offer, including the one that I'm showing you today. So there we can see now that has added that page. If we wanted to then go on and add another page, we can simply select add a page. We can design our own. So if, for example, I wanted to add lined paper, I could type in lined paper, and here we can see we've just got some paper that's lined. We can stretch that out to fill our page, and now we have a full page of lines. The three little dots here give us extra options, so we can click on there now and we have a whole load of other options. So we could now duplicate this page. So if we select that, we can now see we have page 4. If we change our mind, we can obviously use this to delete the page as well, and we can see now that page 4 has been deleted. All the different pages we have created are going to be placed across the bottom, so at any time you can switch between them to make any alterations. The other option we have here is to add page type. So if we select that, we're given 9 more options. So we can obviously add a sheet, document, presentation, whiteboard, social media, and the options here for more, we can choose custom sizes. So if we wanted to do a specific size, then this is where you could add that as well. That's a great way of being able to add different documents as well. And if we click on the social media one, we can see there we have a whole list of different options where we can do Facebook posts, Instagram, YouTube banners. It's a really great way to add and delete pages into a document that you are making to give you the most amazing results. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.